Hello, Jerlynfran.
He said lost steroids, this is a miracle. I've never seen such a thing before.
It should.
Poor Mal. We'll have to bleep that, sorry. What are you videoing?
Yeah.
No, she likes to just talk and make it look like her camera's filming.
Okay.
Merca!
You say okay, Evan?
Sup?
Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm just chilling.
Cool.
What are you doing?
You know,
What a hero!
videoing.
What a treasure! What a jewel!
Did you bring us more supplies?
Where is it?
What?
Where is it?
Oh, okay. I don't know.
I couldn't get the rest of your car to lock.
Oh, that's fine. As long as the doors are shut, I don't care.
Yeah.
We should roll the windows down.
Even the small stuff is in the garage. I don't know for some reason. You have a lighter.
The dry tin does not have food supplies.
I have a
Probably
lighter.
in a cooler in a car.
Where's your...
There's a, yeah.
Are you going to use a lighter to roast my shrub?
Yes! Are you not going
You mean
We don't have enough fuel for that.
Oh,
be able to light 4 marshmallows?
a cooler in the car? Where
No,
is
you
it?
could do like
Where
maybe
is the
2.
s'more?
I don't know.
I
I don't know.
have forks. I think the only thing that we're missing is chocolate.
You mean the important thing.
Chocolate's in the cooler.
Okay. I don't know which one.
Yours.
Okay. I don't know where it is.
Screw you, man!
Big dip, big dip.
Wait, I'm ready. You just gotta straighten your body down, girl. Okay, I don't know how to do that.
Woo!
Oh, that's terrifying.
Right, I think you
Is
need...
it's only gonna take 5 minutes?
I was gonna say, if it's 5 minutes, we're all gonna be going into the tent.
Honestly, yeah.
Nothing is being done
Is
tonight.
it unsafe to use the propane burner inside the tent?
Probably.
Hot air balloon! Hot air balloon!
Okay, I actually might have enough data to like
Open the
stream a small
flaps!
movie.
Yeah! Yeah, boy!
My laptop's in the car.
Hey man, we'll all gather around.
If you want to.
For what?
Small movie.
We gotta clean this up first. That should be our primary.
Yeah, let's try and we can
The
get
responsible
What
one.
do you mean clean? Everything's fine.
We can just leave
I mean,
here.
everything needs to go very
We
far.
should move the tent in here.
I'm sure the park ranger would love that.
Yeah.
It's a great idea.
He's like, yeah, I understand where y'all are coming from. You're not coming back.
As long as we're not leaving
I'm
tonight.
fine with leaving the Northern Wastes forever. Yeah. Screw the boss.
Defeat the rain. Oh, that'd be fun.
Yeah, I don't really do that. Swords.
Doing alright. How are you?
Our tent's all flooded.
And this is how we LARP.
All I do is LARP.
When it's raining.
No matter what.
That role play by
Okay, update for everyone. There are many small sharp things in the earth.
Oh.
By the way.
I'm aware.
My mom texted me and asked, did we get wet?
I know my mom asked earlier, are you I am
You
right now.
ate them all!
The white one though.
It's there for that.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, y'all realize it's really nice outside right now.
But
Why are we all inside this sweaty tent?
Because we're hot.
You're hot for sure, but it's really nice outside.
Some of us are sleepy.
It's been a long day.
I'm trying to find the soccer ball. I don't know where I put it. Oh, there's water tank in that corner.
Yeah, just
No, don't set that up. It's gonna get like 500 bucks. No, my sock.
Although really, it's not like this gives us much of a breeze.
yeah, we should take it like pull it up while it's not raining.
No.
Once it starts
no.
raining, I don't have a chance.
We took a vote. The answer was no.